Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we will see how we can use the message box functionality using VBA to display certain messages, texts, alerts, or greetings through a message box. To do this, we will use the Excel VBA functionality. Let's start. Let's first choose a cell. Let's say in this case, I'll choose the cell E5. I will highlight the cell. Now what I want is that whenever a value of 100 is exceeded in this cell, then I get a particular message that it's an invalid value and needs to be checked. Okay, to do this, we'll click on the Developer tab and then click on Visual Basic. Now, click on Sheet 1 and a window on the right side appears. First, we'll go to the drop down on the left side and choose Worksheet, and on the drop down the left right side we'll select change. So we see that we get a subroutine which says worksheet underscore change. Now any value on the sheet 1, when it would be changed, this subroutine would be executed and any code that we write inside it will be executed. So what we write here is if cells, we chose the cell E comma 5, so the row index and the column index is 5 comma 5. So we will write 5 comma 5 dot value equals to, or let's say we take greater than 100, then now here we define a message box. The syntax to define a message box is msgbox, and then we start a bracket, double quotes, and then we write the code or the value that we want to display. So we write invalid value, please check again. We close the double quotes and the bracket, and then we close the if with an end if. So now let's go back to the worksheet. Let's say I enter a value 85 in this cell and press the enter key, nothing happens. If I enter a value 115 which is greater than 100 and press the enter key, I'll get this message invalid value, please check again. We can click on OK and again edit the value in the cell. Now let's see if you want this message box to appear on a button click. To do this, what we can do, we can go to the insert in the developer tab and insert a button. So we take the button and place it here. Now whenever you insert a button, you have to assign a macro to it. So we'll click on new macro, and again our Windows Visual Basic editor appears. Now here we will write the same code msgbox bracket start. Let's say we write your text here, close the double quotes and the bracket. Now, if we go back to the sheet and click on the button, then we get this message. So in this way, you can add customized message boxes in your Excel sheets. You can put up some alerts or references so that the user knows what to do or what action to perform. I hope this would be helpful in your everyday work. To see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.